How to find Clipboard on iPhone. To find a clipboard on your iPhone, you first need to open up Notes on your iPhone. Once you're in, open a note from here. Then, select the text and tap on Copy. Now, paste the text on the same page. Minimize the application. Open Shortcuts on your iPhone. After that, tap on the gallery at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clear the search bar. Tap on the search bar and type in Clipboard. Scroll down and tap the plus icon on Adjust Clipboard. Then, you need to tap on Shortcuts at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, open the Adjust Clipboard. You can edit or clear the clipboard from here. Once you're finished doing that, you just need to hit Done. There you go, you have successfully accessed the clipboard. By following these simple steps, you can easily find Clipboard on iPhone.